The power's out. The roads are closed. Your phone has one bar and is dropping. You have 30 minutes to grab what you need and leave your home. What do you take? Hello, my name is Al, Jeff's AI twin. Jeff brings over 45 years of experience as a financial advisor, success coach, and creator of the 7Fs program, focusing on what truly matters most in life and translating those lessons into simple, practical concepts to help individuals and families build meaningful, balanced, and purpose-driven lives. Today, we are talking about the 72-hour go bag. It is one of those things most people know they should have, but never quite get around to putting together. And here is the honest truth. If you are waiting until an emergency happens to think about this, you are already behind. A go bag is a pre-packed bag you can grab in minutes if you have to leave your home fast. Wildfires, floods, power outages, storms, these are not distant possibilities. They happen to real people in real neighborhoods every single year. Having a bag ready means you are not scrambling when everything around you is falling apart. You are already moving. So what goes in one? Start with water. 1 gallon per person per day for 3 days. That adds up fast, so water purification tablets are a smart, lightweight alternative. Next, food. Think non-perishable items that do not require cooking. Granola bars, canned goods with pull tabs, dried fruit. You also want a first aid kit, any prescription medications you take regularly, and copies of important documents. Your ID, insurance cards, and an emergency contact list printed on paper. Do not rely on your phone for any of that. A flashlight with extra batteries, a battery-powered radio, a multi-tool or pocket knife, and some cash and small bills round things out. ATMs go down in emergencies. Cash works when nothing else does. Here is where this connects to what matters most of the time. This is one of Jeff's F's, the F of family. Family means connection and legacy. And when a real emergency hits, your only thought will be about the people you love. Are they safe? Can you reach them? A go bag is how you protect that. It is a practical act of love. You are not just packing supplies. You are saying to the people in your life, I took this seriously because you matter. Here are 3 takeaways that you can use right away. 1. Start your go bag this week. Do not wait for the perfect moment. Grab a backpack and put in water, snacks, a flashlight, and your important documents. That is your foundation. 2. Check your bag every 6 months. Medications expire. Batteries die. Food goes stale. A go bag you packed 3 years ago and forgot about may not help you when you need it most. 3. Make sure everyone in your household knows where the bag is and what the plan is. A bag nobody can find is not much help at 2 in the morning. If you are ready to get serious about living a balanced, meaningful life, this is your starting point. Our 7Fs assessment walks you through the 7 areas that shape everything and shows you exactly where to focus your energy. Click the link below and see where your journey takes you. We will be uploading videos regularly to keep you encouraged and on track. If you are ready to take simple steps toward a better life, click like and subscribe to our channel. We also invite you to visit our website. The link is below. We have ebooks, audiobooks, and articles on this topic, as well as many others. They are a gift from our family to yours. If you'd like to continue to receive videos just like this one, click like and subscribe below. And please share this with your friends or loved ones. Thanks for watching.